Today we went to check out our 1,000-dome oyster restoration project, where we are attempting to restore oyster reefs that were historically present and have since declined.
It really addresses a number of components. It helps the oysters themselves clean up the water, so it addresses water quality right there. It also provides habitat for many marine organisms, and as well it provides coastal resilience by buffering and preventing erosion.
Each oyster filters about 50 gallons of water per day. So when you bring that back into the environment, you bring back that natural filtration system, which cleans up the water, makes it easier for seagrasses to grow, brings marine life back in, and oysters develop reefs that a bunch of other marine life like to live in as well.
And the critical important is that this is a trial. We have not had that many opportunities to test these dome projects, so I'm very curious to test the viability of it, how we can duplicate this and how we can replicate it elsewhere in the state to continue to do this water quality improvement project.
One of the great things that I think this project did was demonstrate the feasibility of installing oyster reef for restoration purposes like this. And that could lead to more similar projects being implemented all over the state of Florida and even in other states.
Some of our goals for the future are to continue to fine-tune it and hopefully be able to replicate this throughout the coast of Florida.
I was really impressed when we pulled these domes out. They were installed less than a year ago, and they're already being covered with oysters, and that we'll soon see a whole new 4-acre oyster reef out there.
I can totally see how this practice will work, and again, how that can be duplicated more than anything else. But I was really excited to see the actual oysters in the dome and how prolific they are, and I can see how efficient and effective they are becoming.
This has been a partnership, all hands on deck, kind of just working together, and returning this species back to the environment is crucial to bring our ecosystem back to what it used to be, a thriving fishery with tons of seagrasses and clean water.